Alright guys, so my dog doesn't know that we're up here and I'm gonna make him follow this. Just watch. Try to wear some old sneakers if you can and then just step on it. What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. And just like the title says, guys, in this video we're gonna be showing you guys 10 ways to be lazier. So if you're already lazy, these little methods that we're gonna show you are gonna make you even more lazy.
This video is gonna show you guys, as we said, 10 ways to be very lazy. And most of you guys probably already do this already, so you guys could relate to this video. I know I used to do this as a kid, and I still do a lot of these to this day.
Yeah, it's nice to know, especially if you're trying to skip out on doing chores, because we all hate doing chores.
Who wants to do chores?
Yeah, so these are gonna help you guys out to avoid doing chores, or at least to get you out of doing chores for a certain amount of time. Now, before we begin, let's make sure that you guys are subscribed to this channel with all the bell notifications turned on. Hit that thumbs up button, guys. 1,000 likes are appreciated. Check it out.
Hey there, guys. So, you guys know when you guys are playing your video games, like when I'm playing my video games, my mom comes in my room and she's like, Omega, I need you to go and do the dishes. I'm like, oh my gosh, I hate doing the dishes. So once you guys get to the kitchen, guys, what you guys are gonna find at the kitchen is a sink, right? Say there's a whole bunch of dishes in here, right, guys? And your mom's like, you need to wash every single one of those dishes. Well, I wanna go back to Fortnite, right? So I check to see if there's water when my mom walks away. And look, guys, there's the water. So typically, I would be able to get started on this, right? But I'm lazy, and I'm gonna show you guys how to be lazy. So under the sink, guys, there's these cabinets, and then there's two valves, guys, one for the hot water and one for the cold water. Now, all you gotta do is turn them to the right, just like I'm gonna do here. So once you guys have closed those valves, guys, there'll be no more water coming to the sink faucet, guys, which means what?
You can't do the dishes.
I can't do the dishes, and it's time for Fortnite. Or if you guys are not into Fortnite, whatever game you guys are into, maybe a Call of Duty, for all my Call of Duty fans out there.
I'd be playing FIFA.
Next likes FIFA.
So your mom just told you to go take out the trash because the trash can is full. And if you look at it, right here, obviously it's full. But it doesn't mean that you have to take it out because you're gonna make it less full. And no, I don't mean take out half of it and throw it in a dumpster. What I mean is, we're gonna crush this. Try to wear some old sneakers if you can and then just step on it. And by the looks of it, guys, it's not full at all anymore. So you can carry on with your day. Go back to playing your Fortnite. The lazy way is to do this. Stomp on it and then go back to playing Fortnite.
And being lazy. Oh, come on, shoot him, build. So guys, when you guys have candy and you take a little break from, say, your video games or maybe watching TV, another way to be lazy is once you've already taken your candy out of the wrapper, just like I'm doing so here. So guys, what I'm gonna do with this, I don't want to go to the trash can because I'm too busy playing video games. So a perfect place to hide this and be lazy is right here, right next to you. Why waste your time getting up when you can just be lazy and tuck this sucker in here?
Can you look for some loose change in there while you're at it?
Perfect. Let's go. That's how you guys do it. Alright guys, so if you don't want to be that dirty like I showed you guys, you want to be a little bit cleaner but still lazy, well, you just grab your wrapper back out and you grab yourself a bag like this and just go to the corner of the couch, guys. A nice little cozy little corner. And if your sibling or maybe your cousin or whoever's sitting there is in the corner, this is what you do, guys. Get them out of there and go to the corner. Guys, in the corner, there's usually typically a wall right here. Now you want to take a bag. It don't matter what size bag, even a Walmart bag, guys. I know you guys have one of those. You just open up the bag, guys. Once you guys have the bag open, all you guys want to do is just take a piece of tape and then you guys cut 2 little pieces, put them on any portion of the bag, stick it to the wall just like that, guys. And check it out, guys. So you're sitting here watching your TV, right? And you have that piece again, you want to put it in the couch? Well, just take that piece now and look at this. It's a slam dunk. Pretty easy, guys, and pretty lazy.
So you're in a rush, guys, and you only have one more clean shirt, and it happens to be a really wrinkled one. Well, that's better than nothing, right? But still, you don't want to wear a wrinkled shirt. The best option that you have is to put this in the dryer. The dryer will not iron it for you, but it will sure get rid of those wrinkles. Because this I would not wear on a date, would you? So to save time, guys, and this can take up to like, I don't know how many minutes to warm up. So I'm gonna avoid all that.
That's not lazy proof.
I know. So I'm gonna take this shirt, put it inside that dryer, and let it go for a few minutes. You take it out and all the wrinkles are gone, and the best part is if it's cold outside, you now have yourself a warm shirt to wear. One big issue lazy people have is they can't find the remote. So what this means is they have to get up every time they want to switch the channel. And that can get annoying. Not only just for lazy people, people in general, regardless if you're lazy or not, you will get annoyed having to change the channel manually when you have a remote, but you don't know where it's at. So if you really want to be lazy, guys, forget about these. Pretty much any TV these days you can operate with your phone. So you gotta have a smartphone, guys, and you gotta have a smart TV. And that's it. Just download the app for that designated TV, and you would easily be able to control your TV without having to get up or without having to go and look for that remote. That is the laziest way you guys can possibly watch TV.
Oh no! No! It's time for school, guys. And a lot of you guys go to school, a lot of you guys don't. Maybe a lot of you guys work. Well, for my workers or my school guys out there, I know when you wake up, guys, typically, if you're like me, I'm always late. So once you get out of bed, what's the first thing you guys got to do if you're in a rush to get out of the house? Brush your teeth, right? Well, I got the solution for that, guys. And it's called Bubble Bubble. Simply, just take the Bubble Bubble, open it up like this, guys. Pop that in your mouth. Chew it. Be lazy. And your breath ain't gonna be kicking in the morning, and you can just drive off to school or get taken to school. Solution.
Very lazy. Alright, so I'm about to go to sleep, but the thing is, guys, that I don't wake up easily. Even with the phone turned up the volume as high as I possibly can, it still won't wake me up. So I usually hit the snooze button. The best way to wake me up, guys, the lazy way, is to set my alarm 3 times. I get up at 8 a.m. So I'll tell Siri, Siri, wake me up at 8 a.m.
Your 8 a.m. alarm is on.
And then I'll tell Siri again, Siri, wake me up at 8:01 a.m.
The alarm is set for 8:01 a.m.
Jesus.
Yeah, so I'm gonna set about 3 to 4 alarms, guys. That way, for sure I'll wake up on time without me having to hit that snooze button multiple times. That is the best way to get up in the morning. It's annoying, but hey, we all gotta get up early, so why not let your phone do it for you? And this is for you extremely lazy people. Hey, Sinfedo, what are you doing?
My grandmama made me sweep. So, guys, I find myself sweeping because my grandma passed by here and seen this big mess that's in here, right? Well, the right way to do this is get a dustpan and pick it up, right, guys? And I know a lot of you guys probably do it, but that's not the lazy way. The lazy way is taking that broom, kicking that dustpan out of the house, and doing it the lazy way.
Whoa, that is lazy and dirty.
Perfectly clean, guys. Look at that. Couldn't have asked for a better job myself. Oh yeah. And when Grandma comes back, you could be like, Grandma, what mess, Grandma? Victory is ours, lazy guys.
Couldn't you have just used that vacuum over there, though? Alright, so just because you guys are lazy doesn't mean you can't have pets. Now, if you own a dog, especially a hyper dog, you have to walk them every day. You have to take them out for their morning stroll. So, guys, I know we don't like getting up early. We don't like getting up when it's cold outside. So how do you wear out a dog without taking him outside? Without taking him for a walk? Well, it's quite simple, guys. You don't really have to get up for this. Just make sure you have one of these handy. It's a laser pointer. And if you don't know what a laser pointer is, this is what it is, guys.
Pretty cool.
It is really cool. And dogs think so as well. So any dog will chase this around the house, guys. So if you have a pet that you need to wear out because they're super hyper, then this lazy method is the best. Again, you don't have to get up, guys. You don't have to attach a leash to your dog and take them out to the park. All you guys gotta do is make them follow the light. And let me show you how that's done. Alright guys, so my dog doesn't know that we're up here. And I'm gonna make him follow this. Just watch. So as you guys can see, he's following it. And wherever this goes, he'll go. See guys? He will chase this all around the house and he's getting worn out. So there's no need for me to take him out to the dog park because he's running.
It's the lazy way, guys.
It's the lazy way. You guys can be sitting on the couch, very comfortable, and let the laser do the work. So I highly dedicate this video to you lazy people out there. If you were lazy before, learning these new methods will probably make you a lot more lazier. Just like this guy right here.
No, I'm not lazy. SB's lazy though. I'm sure you guys know him, right? But anyways, guys, we really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I do a lot of these and I have fun with them all the time because I don't want to do chores. Like I said, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to Nextraker's channel, make sure you guys subscribe.
Please do
Give this video a big thumbs up, guys.
1,000. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you pranksters in the next video. Thanks for watching. From about 2 feet up, I'm gonna let this drop. We'll see what happens to this piece of paper. Here goes. Then we'll find out who really is stronger, the fidget spinner or the poppy. Oh, wow.